Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G22 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. And on the second position from the right, we've got the icon connected to the timer. Right now it is crossed out, which means that the timer is off, so your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button, at least it should. So probably in this device we will have to wait a second. We've heard this characteristic sound, which means that the photo has been taken. So in order to set the timer, we have to tap on this option here. And as you can see, we've got actually two additional options from which we can choose. So we've got either 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. As you can see, after tapping on the icon changed. What's more, right now it is highlighted in this bluish color. So it means that your device just applied it. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, your device will right now count down from 10. And after that time, it will take a photo. And it will work the same with the 3 seconds delay. So actually this is it. This is how to set the camera timer in your Motorola Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.